$534.38 is how much we've made using TikTok Live. And we've made $472.07 only in June. And in this video, we'll show you how you can do it as well. So make sure you watch the entire video to find out how. And we'll also give you TikTok Live ideas that you can start today with $0 and ways you can make even more money using TikTok Live. And we would spend between an hour and 2 hours on TikTok Live. And sometimes we would go live multiple times a day to make even more money. And we would make this money through TikTok Live gifts. So people watching your TikTok Live can send you gifts, and these gifts can convert to money, which you can cash out. In order to be able to get access to TikTok Live, you need to have 1,000 followers, and you need to be 18 years old or older. And here are some TikTok Live ideas you can start today with no money. ASMR, writing names, playing bingo or any other game, rating names on a scale of 1 to 10, typing names using your laptop, phone, or iPad. You can peel an egg, and I know it's weird, but a lot of people find it satisfying. You can draw a portrait, or you can also draw on your iPad or laptop, or even on a piece of paper. You can also sleep, and if you're a small business, you can package orders. That way you'll get gifts, and you can increase your sales. You can also show your audience or customers behind the scenes on how you make your beauty products. You can also make pottery. You can also work out or exercise. You can sing. You can also play video games. You can clean or declutter your house or a specific room. You can cook dishes or bake desserts. You can even turn on your TikTok Live while working. And this is if you have like a regular job at Starbucks or Amazon or even at McDonald's or any other fast food restaurant. And you can also do a get ready with me, and you can show your makeup, skincare, or outfits. And ways you can make more money using TikTok Live is by turning on your TikTok Live subscription. And if you're a small business, make sure to tell people watching your live to shop using the link in your bio, basically promoting your business. You can also sell your own merchandise and promote affiliate links or products. And if you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.